Hi everybody, this is George again with a new short video about playing the blues in G. Please support my work by writing a little comment, clicking the subscribe button and giving me the thumbs up. In my last blues in G video I showed you how to play the G7 9th chord with the 5th on the E string, which in this case is a D. Next note in the scale is an E. Just add it, sounds great. It's the 13th of the G7th chord. Same with C7, add an A. And with D7, add a B. You can play some nice things with it. Let me give you an example. Stay tuned and see you soon.